Welcome back to another AvePoint Quick Bites tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about app profiles, the connection between your tenant and AvePoint online services that grants consent into your environment. This process assumes that you've already connected your Microsoft tenant to your environment. If you haven't already, please check out the video regarding tenant connection. From here, we want to move on to app management. And at the top, we want to go ahead and hit create. Here, we're going to select the chosen tenant, and we're going to choose the workload that we're going to be adding, or which product you'll be adding. For this example, we're going to be using cloud backup from Microsoft. You have three primary methods of choosing how you want to set up: modern mode, classic mode, and custom mode. Modern mode is what we recommend. It creates separate apps for each separate workload and tool that you want to use. Classic mode creates one app that's used by multiple services. This can incur throttling. It is an old way that we used to do things. And then custom mode, I only really recommend for people who want a granular approach to their permissions. You will need global admin in order to use modern or classic mode. So if you wanted to only use specific permissions instead, you can use custom mode. The following screen, you'll need to consent that you'll be using. For example, if we want all Microsoft permissions for cloud backup, we'll make sure to consent to that. But we also want to make sure Exchange and SharePoint permissions are in there as well if we're looking to back up those workloads. There's also a note to assigning the Exchange administrator role for this. Please be aware that depending on which product you're activating, there may be specific roles that need to be assigned in your Microsoft Entra ID. Doing so is simple. We're going to log into the Entra Admin Center and then head over to Entra ID. From here, we're going to head over to Roles and Administrators and search for the Exchange Administrator role. Click on Add Assignments, select Members, and then search for the AvePoint app.
Continue your learning journey. Scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions on AvePoint Learn. And for more practical tips and product walkthroughs, subscribe to our YouTube channel.